To perform flutter kicks and build your core strength and stability, first of all, set up with a good base. So back flat on the floor, lower back connected, arms by your sides. From here, you're going to kick your legs up straight and then lower as far as you can until you feel your lower back wanting to disconnect from the floor. Squeeze the quads so you've got nice straight legs, toes pointed. Then from here, make intentional small movements, creating tension in the abs, and work until you feel your lower back coming off the floor, the knees bending. You want to maintain good form throughout the movement. You need at least 15 seconds of tension to start building strength. So start where you're at, whether that's up here or down lower, and build your time under tension over time.